Aquarius. This is your channel messages for the 9th of October to the 15th of October, Aquarius. Channel message for you. I'm getting younger, not smart, younger, not dumber. That was the message. Younger, not dumber. Somebody might feel like because you're young, you're dumb. But here is Rogers Canada advertising the youngest generation of iPhone, and it's the most expensive. So is younger dumber, or sometimes younger is more pricier? Because I don't see anybody saying, you know, this phone is the latest. This phone, my granddaddy used to call slaves on this phone. I don't see those phones auction enough. The new generation phone come out, what, 2 months ago? How much for the phone? It's the most priciest phone than every other phone we ever have. So I'm getting someone's younger. They're not dumber. Okay, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Aquarius, the star card. So I'm getting you're too smart. Maybe you're too smart for your own good. It's like you're in a comedy club and fans come there to watch you and they might heckle you. But the comedians know this. You have fans who come there for watch you and enjoy what you say and leave, and then you have fans who them take things personal because you're such a great comedian. You know what you're saying, just like the Blue Jays, it hit home, right? So you have people, when them come into your comedy club, them heckle you or them do things to piss you off. Now, as a comedian, you're a professional. You know that this nigga would never have a career in comedy. And you know that real comedians and real people who have real humor, this is not how them react. That's why the rebuttal with hecklers in comedy shows, you kind of humiliate them. Like, you come to my show to watch me, and you want a spotlight on you. You're not a comedian. You will never get booked for this gig. And all of a sudden, you have an opinion in front of all these people. You know these people never come here for you, right? Them came here for the comedian. You know that, right? So, me getting it could be one, you're too smart for your own good, or two, you have hecklers around you. It's not even trolls. I know you don't like me. You want to fight me. Always on my YouTube, never double tap like me. Baddest to my left, to my right. Never chase a corny, put that on my life. Okay? So you see, like, just how comedians react to hecklers in them place, and hecklers really think that they're eating. They thought they ate. They ate a salad. That's what the fuck they ate, right? So them think them ate. And them think they're doing something. But to you as a professional comedian, you're like, this is embarrassing. So I'm getting you too smart for your own good. I'm getting younger, not dumber. Let's go. Aquarius. The star card. It's Megan. Let's go ahead. Aquarius. I'm getting something is dangerous. We have 5 of Pentacles. Yes, something is dangerous. So I'm getting the 5 of Pentacles. I'm getting loneliness. Whether that's loneliness monetarily. So I'm getting you're a starving artist. You're an artist who, you know, you're not stop. When it's gonna be my time to shine, I gotta get what's mine. When it's gonna be a little time for me. One full of me. Become a full of versatility. Kingston Squad. Me have some big song I play, I get no big break yet. Yeah, when Friday come, I get no big paycheck. But we have to wear the platinum chain with bracelet. Some nickel nincompoop, right? We're getting 5 of Pentacles. So this could be abandonment. You're getting abandoned. We're getting somebody's about to abandon you. An organization is about to abandon you. Something is about to be abandoned. The 5 of Pentacles can also say you're being left out in the cold. Or you're not being included. You're not being a part of this. We're getting the 5 of Pentacles. Which is usually you're not in what people think needs to be in. So for example, you walk around a blood clot Lululemon. Your pussy have yeast infection. You know that? Every girl that walk around with Stanley Cup, you don't have a Stanley Cup. That means you're not one of us. You're not one of the girlies. Or you're poor. Hide your money, y'all. There's poor people around. That mean you're poor. Or that mean that, Brody, you're not brainwashing to those stupid shit. When since a blood clot metal cup, when since a blood clot metal cup, did equivalent to the value of somebody, of a student. You never have a Stanley Cup. Your cup wasn't Stanley. And all of a sudden, everybody who did have Stanley Cup, you are get bullied. What kind of shit is that? And you have Stanley Cup and your pussy full of yeast. You have Stanley Cup and your tongue white. You know that? Your tongue is white. Go into the bathroom and stick out your tongue, it's white. And you talk about Stanley Cup, you talk about Lululemons. Hear this shit? Because I'm getting younger, you're not dumber. The dumber one, them I spend off their money on that. The dumber one, them I do that. And saying that if you're not a part of it, yeah, you're just not included. Brody, who want to get included in that? Do you want to join the KKK? I didn't think so. Clap if you wanted to join the KKK. Okay, clap if you want to join the KKK. Exactly. Excuse me? What was that? What was that? Ooh. Me a cook. Wait. Exactly. Let's continue the reading. So 5 of Pentacles. This could be you're young and in a debt. Brody, you're young. You're not supposed to in debt. Debt is for old people. You know that? 23, credit card debt. 23, debt. How you not debt and you're young? The part of being young was to not be in debt. To me, you know, in debt until you're old. Hello? 5 of Pentacles. Come and getting a saying, oh my God, I'm 24 and have nothing to show for it. Sorry, you're supposed to have a girlfriend to show for it. The only show for it you're supposed to have is harder than a blood clot Uber to go back and forth from you and your girlfriend's house. You're at 24. What kind of life pressures you have? At 24. At 20. At 18. At 19. What kind of life pressures you have? I'm 24, I'm being pressured to have a kid. Brody, you fucking crazy. We also have the Knight of Wands. So by the 5 of Pentacles and Knight of Wands, I'm getting someone a Leo. It could be a Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. I'm getting someone's coming back. Now, somebody may not have a place to stay at the moment. I'm not sure if you're familiar with them, but I'm getting the plan. I'm getting somebody needs somewhere to stay. Or somebody gonna visit. I'm getting some sleeping over argument is in the mix. Okay? Now, maybe somebody said they want to stay with you. You're young. They want to stay with you and one day turn into 2 weeks and you feel like you can't get them out. So I'm getting maybe the guy older, somebody older. Yeah, we have the 6 of Pentacles. Yeah, I'm getting somebody need help. Literally. They need help. I'm getting a Leo need help. 5 of Pentacles. Maybe the Leo want you to ask them for help, but I'm getting you need help. The Leo needs help. I don't know if somebody need help, but because they're younger, they don't want to ask you. Them feel embarrassed. Like somebody older than you, whether it's a girl or the guy older than you, and they need help. But they're embarrassed to say it because they're older. It could be something like that. I don't know. Yeah, the 8 of Swords. Yeah, I'm getting somebody need help. You need help? Maybe somebody thinks they need help. No, this could be also something about somebody needs you to be in a needy situation. So it's either somebody needs you to be emotional so they can take advantage of something. They need you for... I'm getting someone's asking you to turn a blind eye to something. Maybe somebody asks you to forget something them did. Or it's something like somebody telling you some bullshit like, oh, you abandoned me, or you make me feel like I wasn't wanted, so I had sex with somebody. But me getting them like give you money, and then want you turn a blind eye to the fact that them cheat on them, they're a fucking cheater. They're an abomination. You're an abomination. You're a cheater. You're an abomination. That's what the fuck you are. Why would you take back a cheater? Not only did you break your vows to me, you broke it with God. If you can't keep a promise to God, why me? I will feel like I will keep a promise to me, Brody. You can't even keep a promise to God. And I've met enough people who never believe in God, who never cheated. And the Christian, and the one them who believe in a God and cheated them. I'm telling you. And the sober one them a cheat. You know that? The one them was sober, that don't smoke, that don't drink alcohol, that don't smoke cigarettes, and them have the STD. Them is cheating on each other. The sober ones is the ones who are paying babies on men who is not theirs. And the sober one, them a do it, you know. It's not the ones them on drugs. And the one them what so-called don't believe in the word of God. It's not them. It's the Christians. It's Uno. Because all that we're seeing online, ask all of these people when they go online and say toxic things and relationships and cheating. Majority of them is, if you ask them, do you believe in, what is your faith? They're going to tell you Christianity. Because I'm getting somebody to turn a blind eye to something. Because I'm getting them to give you money because they feel bad. Maybe for you, maybe you're the type of girl where money can solve your, if you get paid off, if you're a very uncomfortable situation, you will just take it and then move on. So maybe you rather cry in a Lamborghini than cry on a TTC. I rather take the blood clot TTC single and meet a blood clot man while I sit down there. I'm waiting for my stop. That's what the fuck I rather do. Do you rather personality or money? You rather a man with a terrible personality but a lot of money and him spend it on you? Or a man who don't have a lot of money, he will spend what he have on you, but he have a great personality. You rather listen to me. I know what I like. And I like ass. Well, you rather a man with a good, you rather personality or money. Popular to Scarborough's contrary, I write personality. In order to survive this 3D dimension, personality have to bring it than money. Some girl will say fuck personality more on money. Okay. You're going to have money and crime. She's so lucky. She have a rich nigga, 8-figure. She's a star, but she cry. You gonna have enough money, but you have ball every day. Or maybe you can become blind. Brody, maybe you say you have too much to lose. Okay. Whoa, why would you put yourself in a lost position? Did you not put a stop loss? When you have fought the man, you never put a stop loss for your relationship. So when things are go down, the stop loss cut off so you don't get a loss. That's why it's good to understand trading. I know if the man, you're not in insurance, you put your all in the relationship and you never put a stop loss. You were like, it's okay, I would take the risk. It's okay. When my man status, when my man attitude, when the behavior of my man drop, I will know when to back out. You never put a fucking stop loss. Now your blood clot back out when it's too late. I can't tell you what to do. I'm only telling you what to do in the morality of the cards. And sometimes that might not be comfortable for you to hear, because sometimes the morality of the cards is more moral than your Bible. And that's okay. One more. We have a 9 of swords, 9 of wands. I'm getting a Sagittarius. Something about Sagittarius. Let's go around one more time and see what's up. 5 of Pentacles is clarified by the Ace of Cups. I'm hearing we found love in a homeless... We found love in a homeless place. We found love in a homeless place. I'm getting you found love in a hope. In a holeless place. I found love in a holeless place, bitch. I found love in a holeless place. I found love in a holeless place. I'm getting you found love in a... You never found love in a holeless place. You never found love in a homeless place. You never found love in home first. You found love in a hopeless place. I'm getting you find love when you're down on your luck. Committing 5 of Pentacles is. It could be right now you feel so alone, you feel so abandoned, and you just wish somebody would reach out. You wish somebody would call you. You wish somebody would show more effort. You wish somebody would inquire about you more. You know, like in like cultures like these, when you want things and will hint, right? Like you'd say, on have a hinting, on coming like dogs, on love deal with bush, Wanna always beating and pissing around the bush like the dogs want to fucking walk, right? In this culture, like when they will hint, what do you not say? Brody, say it. Where is your words? Where is translation? Say what the fuck is. Say what you need to say. Say what you need to say. Right? Say what you need to say. In cultures like these, they'll be like for example, you know, yeah, I'm just gonna go to the Tim Hortons really quick. I'm going alone. Don't have much to do, so I'm just gonna take a walk. In a Jamaica, you know how we would say it? I'm going to Tim Hortons. You want to come with me? That's how we say it. But only here, when I'm scared of rejection. And I see the rejection. You rejected your own prime minister. Rejection here is really scary. So I understand what you mean. But, like, brother, you found love in a hopeless place. I feel like you're down there, you're out. You're saying you wish somebody could check up on you. Maybe you're saying somebody don't care about you. If they would ask questions if them care about you. Police ask you questions. Police ask you more questions than your woman, right? What the fuck is this? Maybe you're saying you feel down and out and you just want some type of emotional stimulation. But again, with the Six of Pentacles, the Ace of Wands, it's like you want somebody help. It's like you're saying, I don't know what you say, but the Six of Pentacles, Ace, you don't seem like you're down and out. That's like you're telling somebody you're depressed, but you're gone on the road. You drive, go on Canadian Wonderland. Didn't you just say you were depressed? What's happening? I don't know if you're the type of person where when you need attention, you will be reserved and see if anybody offer them attention to you, and when you don't get it, you end up seeking the attention. Maybe you're like that. Because I feel like, for example, I feel like you're home alone and you say, I'm home alone, I'm alone, Five of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, I want some type of feeling, and then like you get up and you leave because you need something. Even if it's not your first choice, you just need some type of interaction. So that's like you're saying, oh yeah, I'm going to go get something to eat. And then somebody say, okay, have a nice night. Okay. And then you say, wow, she liked me, she would come with me. She liked me, she would have asked me to come. When me come from, you just say, you know, say, I get something to eat, you want to come? Yes or no? So I'm getting, you're younger, more community, you're younger, but you're not dumber. When you're so-called dumb, that means you can't talk. It means that you can't express your words, your feelings, or what you want properly. Them say you're dumb. And I don't know if you come from a place where you ask for what you want a lot and you get them tell you no. So you're scared for ask. Because I'm getting you want something here emotionally, and then Six of Pentacles, you're getting you're going out to get it. It's not coming to you. You have to go out to get it. I don't know what this is. The Six of Pentacles is clarified by the Tower. Yeah. So something blew up in your face. I don't know what this is. It blew up in your face. Maybe you need somebody help. Me getting you want some. Me getting the way how you ask is the issue. And then you jump to conclusions and you might assume because the Tower card, something is being taken away. Because we're getting an ask for help, and then bam, like whoa, that's how you feel. Wow, I just asked you for Six of Pentacles. I asked you for 1 hour at a time, and something just blow up in front of your face. Maybe you asked the right person for help and you got what you wanted. But this could be something about like ask how you ask for help. If you need help, how you ask for help. If you have a girlfriend and you want a girlfriend come over your yard, how you ask for help? Do you say to her, baby, you know, so I'm home alone and right now I don't have nothing to do today, so I just a chill, and you wait on her to say, hey, you want me to come over? And if she don't say if she don't ask if she want to come over, you don't offer, and you hang up the phone, and then you translate that to, oh, that bitch is busy, or you translate it to, oh, she don't want to spend time with me. So you see the attention elsewhere. But when me come from, just as I said, this is why cultural differences are important. You take up the phone and you say, yo, but they're home, you need to come. What time you can come? You're not even ask them whatever. Do you have work? Do you have a prior engagement? You have a doctor visit? That's not how we ask. We'll be like, yeah, okay, yeah, you have to come over. What time you come? Then we'll tell you at 10 o'clock now what time you're coming by. You don't even confirm if you're coming or yet, coming or not. So I don't know what this is. Aquarius, but I'm getting someone thinks you're slow because you're young. You're not getting it. They're not getting English either. What's it? Knight of Wands. I'm sorry, I needed water for this. Sorry. For the friction, we have the World card. World card, 6 of Pentacles again, Ace of Wands again, the 4 of Wands. Yeah, but literally somebody want your help. The World card, somebody want your help. 6 of Pentacles, somebody want your help. The Ace of Wands, that's a penis. And this is also the 4 of Wands, that's a home. You see, 4 of Wands, Ace of Wands, that's a home. Then we have the World card, and that's a naked home. So, right? So, yeah. I don't know what this is. That's like saying, you know, you're having back issues, but yeah, fuck. I'm going to take the day today because I have back problems and I'm bedridden. But you fucking, so what happened? I don't know what the fuck. I don't know what this is, Aquarius. I don't know what this is. I'm just getting somebody wants you to turn a blind eye to a situation. And they may try to blind you with money. We have the Ace of Swords, yeah. But I'm getting, you're too clear for that. You're an air sign. You're too clear. Aquarius is the naked woman in water. She rather her feelings than material possessions. She rather been able to follow her dreams and know that her dreams was followed than get the award for it. That's Aquarius. Them always gonna choose how them feel over what them have, over what society think. Aquarius rules Uranus. Uranus rules rebellion. If you have Aquarius, you see, if you have Aquarius placement, that's why people say you need to be controlled. That's why them say they need to tame you, or they will try to introduce you to other cultures, to try to make you get drawn to it. Because Aquarius rules rebellion. It rules the planet of Uranus. Uranus is what? Restrictions? Wait. You see, so on top of these people trying to tell you about your life, they don't even know astrology. Hold on. So you have so for example, you have Aquarius in your chart. Hold on. Aquarius, it symbolizes rebellion. You're a rebel. The YGs, the young kids in a class who are cuss off the teacher, them rebellious. The girls, them who are wear skimpy clothes. You say a girl need to change. She have Aquarius in her chart, whether you believe in that or not. I'm telling you why you and that hoe won't get along properly. And why trying to change that hoe is going to only lower your self-confidence. She have Aquarius in her chart. You can't tell her to cover up. You can't tell her to go back to the medieval times where you just have baby and sit down at the house and you're not doing nothing sober without a phone or without a laptop and you watch TV and news. Aquarius is the technological sign. Aquarius rules rebellion, revolution. The last revolution we have when the French take over, it rules a revolution. That's Aquarius. It rules sudden change. It also rules innovation, technology, individuality. Going around. I don't believe it we're humans. I believe we're individual people. You probably stole it from an Aquarius. You're your own individual. And it also rules awakening. You awaken to your potential, to what is greater than life. There's more things to life to worry about. You worry about the sex of your kid. Other people are worried about what they're gonna eat. But that's not, so you don't have a emotional link to somebody who is suffering and you don't know. But that's what God has tried to tell you. You don't have no blood clot conscience or link to people around you where you don't know what suffer. You turn a blind eye. That's what God been saying to all of y'all. When you keep abandoning each other, you keep a shut the door in each other's face. When you keep a envy each other, when you keep a cheat on each other with each other. If all of you did love each other, if all of you did accept that all of you are individual people to make individual choices, even though we can exist as a collective, then the world would be better. That's Aquarius. It's a rebellion. Aquarius don't usually vote. They're not voters. Very good politicians, but they don't vote. And if they are politicians, you can't puppeteer Aquariuses. Them rule rebellion. Them is the rebel. Them is the black sheep of the family. Them is the dark child. Say Beyonce, say my name, say my name. If no one is around you. Them is the chosen one. It's Aquarius. Them is the one who's going to be doing things way... Look, Brody, we all got issues, and in the end of it, the guy asked me, wash your hand. That was 13 years ago. Now we have COVID-19. That means you're way ahead of your time. So people might say, no, that not gonna work. That not gonna... What the fuck this girl doing? She think that's gonna work? She think she can do that alone? Yeah, but remember, you see the future, Aquarius. You rule rebellion. Cause the rebellion have to come in for the change to come in. You don't have a corrupted society, then peace, then change. You have a corrupted society, then a rebellion. Then the peace, then the change. That's how the transition work. You have to have a rebellion. So I don't know why that nigga or why that bitch feel like she can sway you, change you when you're an Aquarius. You rule rebellion. You're gonna be the one to rebel in anything in our life. People are gonna say you need to get control, you need to get tamed, you need to be re-institutionalized because of your ways, but you rule the rebellion. So unfortunately, they don't know fuck about astrology, so I guess you're at their illiterate mercy. Yeah, we have the Three of Swords. Let's gonna get some of these cards, and we're gonna leave it here. We have Libra. They're the balance. If there weren't criminals, there would be no need for police officers. It have to be a balance. We have religion. So I don't know what your religion is telling you, but I'm just saying, you're 40, 50, 60 years old, and you've been following the Bible. How's that working out for you? Did you get the love of your life? Yeah. Did you get the happy family? Did you get the person who was supposed to be there for you through sickness and health and rich and poor? Did you get that following the Bible this many years? Did you get the happy ending? Perhaps you've been reading the wrong book. You need to go back to a library. We have Jafil, beauty, wisdom, and enlightenment. We have endings, and we also have father. Yeah. So I'm getting just like how Jesus abandoned, just like how the Father abandoned Jesus when he was getting executed, dying for what he believed in. It seems like you're going to be a really, really unhappy person dying for what you believed in. You believed in that scripture for how long now? 40 years, 50 years, 60 years? How did that work out for you? Is it peaceful around you? Did you get the love of your life? Did you get the car? Did you get the mortgage? Did you get everything you wanted to get following that book? Or did you get betrayed? Did you get hurt? Did you get abandoned? You mean just like how God had abandoned his son when he was going through crucifixion? Yeah. So you're reading this Bible and you're wondering, why is these people not showing up? Well, why am I constantly being hurt? Why is it that no matter how many times I try to open up and do the right thing, I never get the support? You're reading the wrong blood clot book. That's why. Because just like the book said, you're dead for what you believe in, and you're not going to get nothing what you want out of it. But everlasting life. So I hope everlasting life can suck your dick. I'm going to leave it here. Aquarius, the star card. Until next time, goodbye.